If you're interested in how I got this poppin' braid out look, then just keep watching. Welcome to my natural hair journey. I am Joy. I've been natural since 2015. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So this was a fail twist out I absolutely hated. So we're going to turn this into a braid out. We're going to be using Aunt Jackie's Curl La La again because I didn't want to use a new curl cream. Because I didn't want to take the chance of it flaking. So now I'm just going to rub this all throughout my hair to activate it again. My hair is already wet. I didn't have my spray bottle, so I had to wet it off camera. But right now I'm just trying to activate these curls. That's how I find that you get the most popping twist out. So now I'm going to try with this braid out, and we're going to see if it works. So you can see my curls being activated by the water and the curl cream. And yeah, let's just get into this. So now I'm going to separate this hair into 3 sections. And I'm going to make sure that the hair stays defined as I separate it. And then I'm just going to do a regular plait or braid, you know. And I keep calling this a curl cream, but I'm sorry. This is a defining curl custard. That's what it is. Defining curl custard. And so this is me ending this braid. I do end up twirling it around my fingers like I do my twist. And off camera, I ended up bantu knotting the end of it to keep it closed. Because they were such big sections that they were trying to like unravel. But anyway, so we're going to the next section. And like I said, these are pretty big sections. And I'm going to turn around in a second so you guys can see like how big the sections is. See, yeah, that's a huge section. But since I'm doing braids, I feel comfortable doing a section that big. Okay, so I'm gonna walk y'all through it one more time. That's my hair just with water on it. Still product from the last time, but now I'm adding more curl custard so I can have enough holes for this new style. It might would have had enough hole, but just in case. And yes, I'm jamming out to Old Town Road because that's my song. And this is it defined with the curl custard again. And I'm just rubbing it through, pre-hand messing it through. And yes, I'm still jamming. This is the only way I can get him to stop moving the camera tripod. But anyway, so now I'm just making sure it's on the end so my ends won't be too frizzy because my ends tend to get frizzy. I don't know why. Plus, I need my ends clipped again. But anyway, so now we are about to start braiding this again. Like I said, we're going to separate it into 3 sections. I really don't know how to tell y'all like how to braid. I've always known how to plait. I did learn how to like cornrow once I went natural, but anyway, yeah, I don't really know how to, except for keep crossing the hair under the other one or over the other one. Yeah, it's just too much. But once you learn how to braid, come back to this video and do this style so I can tell you how. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna fast forward this so it doesn't take too long. But this is it in regular time, or real time. And I skip through it so I can get to the end of it because it's just tedious to watch me braid down that whole thing in real time. Fast forward, child, because I know y'all don't want to see that. And then, like I said, I'm just going to twirl the end around my finger. And like I said, I bantu knotted it off camera. You guys will see that once the hair is finished being braided. So this is my hair the next day. I did have to send it to dryer a few times because my hair took a little bit longer to dry with these braids. This is the ends bantu knotted, so yeah. So now I'm about to use my Mael mint and almond oil just to add some shine and cut down on frizziness. So I'm going to run my finger down the end of the hair to take the bantu knot out. And then to start taking it down, you want to be careful. Don't try to take this out really fast or you will create a lot of frizz, unless you know that's what you want. But my hair makes frizz anyway, so I'm going to take my time. And I use my index finger and my thumb to pull the outermost hair away from the middle hair, and so I just keep doing that, as you can see. And I'm going to keep on doing the same thing, and I'm just going to show you like examples on different braids that I take out. But yeah, that's basically what I do, and this is it in real time, me taking it out, so you guys can see like how fast or slow I move while taking it out. And look at that definition. I haven't done a braid out since my hair was like really short. If I can find a picture of a braid out, I'll insert it right here. But yeah, I'm already excited, just waiting for the end process, even though you guys already saw it at the beginning. But anyways, yeah, child. And this is the same braid, still in real time. So if you try this out and it doesn't come out the way mine did, just remember how slow I was moving taking these out. I did not rush it whatsoever, and that's why this video was actually like an hour or so long, and I cut it down to this 13 minutes. So yeah, just know that. And I'm gonna fast forward so we can go ahead and get through this. So like I said, if y'all be taking out like this in real time, that's going to be a problem, and that's going to create a lot of frizz, and that's going to be, you know, a problem that you're going to have to deal with, sis. Ooh la la, look at that definition. Oh, I can't wait. Anyway, so moving on to the next one, rubbing my finger down the bantu knot again to take it loose, and then we are going to slowly pull the outside hair from the middle to take the hair loose. And one more thing I wanted to mention is, don't like rub your hair down it, like you know how you taking out box braids, and so when you're taking it out, you're like rubbing your fingers down it. Yeah, that's going to create you know, your hair to be frizzy. I'm literally using my thumb and my index finger to pull the hair away from the other hair, and then let's get into this shine and definition. So I went ahead and took the rest of those braids out, and then I'm going to take out these last two and try to get it in more like detail for y'all. So look at my fingers. Watch me pull it with my thumb and my index finger. I'm pulling it away from whichever strand is in the middle. And that's how you do it, sis. That's how you do it. So now we're doing this last one, and I'm just going to fast forward through this part because by now I feel like you know what you're doing, and if not, you know, you can rewind, you can watch it over, and yeah. So now all the braids are taken out. Okay, well, I'm still taking this last one out. All the braids are done. And, you know, some people would stop right here if you want that look. But we are about to do a full takedown of these braids. So now let's get into that. So all I'm going to do is pull each strand where it naturally separates from the other group of hair. So, yeah, so I'm just pull the hair down to stretch it out and then see where it naturally separates. And then pull that away. And I'm not going to be doing any twirling around my finger. Okay, maybe like one time I think I do it because the end had looked a little frizzy. But other than that, I'm not going to be twirling the whole thing as if I was doing like a twist out, what I do to help that stay defined. But yeah. See? Y'all can see where it naturally separates. And you just pull that away and your hair should be fine. You shouldn't need to do any extra, to it to help it do that. It stayed very defined the entire time. And now I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys enjoy it. I love this part of taking down a twist out and braid out. But I think I'm going to start doing braid outs because it was definitely less time consuming and I love the results. So the front of my hair is always the easiest to separate anyway. I think it's because that hair is just wavy from the beginning, whereas the back is more curly. But now we are finished doing the takedown. I'm just, shaping it a little bit. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at that definition. Yeah, I think I'm going to start doing braid outs. Oh, hey girl. Is that you? Oh yeah, that's me. And my hair is so dense. I get a lot of volume no matter what style I do. In the middle, my hair always grows the longest. My hair is always grown in that heart shape. So yeah. Oh, look back at you. Hey, honey. Yes, I'm loving it too. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.